Hey guys, I'm Mark with the Ovalrc. Today we're going to do something totally different. I'm going to show you how fast you can take this Aeroscout S to 1.1 meter out of the box, set it up, and get it in the air and land it. We're going to see how fast we can do that. I got Dave on the other camera here and on the stopwatch. Well, time anyway. Dave, what time we got?
2:14.
2:14, ready to go right now. Okay, I'm going to talk about it a little bit too while I'm doing this. I didn't have anything planned out. I just decided I'm going to do this and not edit it so you guys can see how easy this really is. All right. It's not your typical unboxing. And if you're new, you may want to take your time setting it up too. So I have about 8 flights underneath me. You want to make sure that you read your manuals. All right. This stuff here will be wrapped.
I took my time.
Okay, got the wheels.
And it came out really nice. This is going to happen the same way right here. But it's
Probably, it got a little bit of a wind too, so we might be losing things on the ground. But this plane is so easy to set up. We got stuff moving around a little bit, but we got about a 7 to 10 mile an hour wind. Got our batteries in there. I think we're ready to put her together. All right, we got all the contents out of the box. Like I said, yours might be wrapped a little bit differently. First thing I'm going to do is find one of these small rods, and we're going to stick that through this wing right here. Slide that all the way in there like that. All right. A little square hole at the back of the wing. That's the beauty of this plane. It doesn't have to be exact. There is no fine adjustments that you have to make. That's why I love it. Perfect for a beginner like myself.
and he's lost the wing.
We lost the wing, we'll get that, that's okay. Oh, another small wing, there's our other small wing. Okay, we're gonna take that wing there, slide that on the end of that other square tube. Oh yeah, it looks good. We got just enough space between there. Got our rear wing on, that's how easy that was. We're gonna take the big square tube here. First, let me grab the other wing. Right. Brush off the grass on there. Take the larger square tube, slide it into the wing, and it does slide a little better than the other way, so here we go, like that. Gonna take this end here, slide that together like that, making sure you don't pinch your wire in there. And yeah, doing a speed run here, it's kind of hard to really show you guys this. This isn't the best unboxing for looking for details. I'm just gonna show you how fast you can do it. And I don't wanna waste time telling you about it, I gotta do it. All right, we're gonna hook up the wires. I'm gonna let you guys see that. You wanna do dark to dark. It doesn't matter which side either, so we're gonna take that brown, hook it up to the black. Got that. We're going to do dark to dark on the other side again. Doesn't matter which side. Bam, we got that together. We got that together. We do want to take a little bit of time putting that together. Looks good. Make sure our wires aren't pinched. And we got the wing down in place. Next, we're going to need the thumb screws, and there's 3 of those right here. And I may be going a little bit out of a sequence too. I don't know if they tell you to do the wings first or not. Thumb screws go right down through the top wing. There's 3 of them. And I'd be careful putting those in because you could cross thread those, but like I said, they're going together just fine for me right now. Uh-oh, there we go. And you plug those wires together because that's your ailerons. That's going to operate these side wings right here on the side. That'll help you turn the plane. Be a little careful with my thumb screws. Want to make sure we got that just right. We do. The rear wing's on. Now we're ready to put the wheels on. Flip it upside down. These things are awesome because you can take these off or put them back on. We're going to pop these right into the side of the plane like that. Beautiful. They're locked in. Front wheel. You will need a screwdriver. So I am cheating a little bit. I have the screwdriver handy. We're going to unscrew this. We're going to slide that down. There's a little square spot right on the side of that wheel there. We're going to slide that down. And then we're going to tighten that screw right up against that flat spot on the wheel. Here we go. Okay, down. It's in there, I think. Is it? Oh no, I don't know. I don't know. No, it's spinning around. We ain't got it yet. Now I think we got it. Okay, good. And we'll tighten it down. That's my torque hand right there. Perfect, we got it. Okay, got the front wheel on. A little bit of wind, you gotta be careful. Now, we gotta put the batteries in the controller. So let's flip this back over because it is windy right now. I don't want to lose my plane. Put the batteries in the controller. We're almost ready to fly. I don't know what the time is right now.
About 5 minutes.
5 minutes in, my man says. Here we go. Putting the batteries in the controller. All right. Again, I only have about 8 flights underneath me. We got about a 7-mile-an-hour wind in my back. I hope got the batteries in right. I think I do. All right, we got that set. One thing I do is make sure all my switches are flipped forward, except for this one here. You pull back, that's to disarm the prop. Pull this one here down, that's your speed. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit right here. This is your speed. That makes the prop go faster, that makes it go slower. That's really all I use on this side here. I don't go side to side. That operates the rear rudder. This side here, I go down to the left or down to the right. So I only make circles. That's how I learn. So I'm going to throw this all the way up to get it up off the ground. I'm going to pull back on this. It's going to lift the plane. And then I'm just going to pull back to the left just like that. And I'm just going to make circles because that's how you learn this way here. It doesn't get away from you. Here we go. All right. Pull the prop speed all the way back. That stays in the center. Everything forward. We're set to go there. Now we're ready to install the battery. Up in the front of the plane. This does take a little bit of this takes a little bit of time. All right, pop that cap off like that. Careful we don't lose that. Now's when you want to turn on your radio. Oh, sorry. All right, now's when you want to turn on the radio. I want to make sure you guys are getting that. Radio is on. Okay. Now we're going to plug in the battery. First, we're going to set the battery down in place. And you have to take your time doing this a little bit. You want to make sure it's not going to hit the servo. Looks pretty good. We'll see if the nose goes on. It does. We'll plug it in. Struggling a little bit. Oh no. What's going on? Okay, here we go. All right, we'll plug this in now. Here we go. Oh, checked up.
Radio on?
I got my radio on.
We are close.
We're very close.
Ladies and gentlemen, he's going to pull this off.
A little cold out. My nose is running a little bit. Okay, strap the battery in. Bam. We got our battery strapped in there, ready to put our nose on. Fits perfect. Ooh, look at that. We're ready to go. Let's set it down on the ground. Here we go. What do we got so far? What do we got so far? You don't know?
I don't.
Here we go. Okay. All right, I'm giving a throttle nothing. Here we go. Disarm. All switches forward. Yep. Bam. And we're up. Wow, that was quick. And you can see I'm not great at flying. Can I bring it in? Not yet. Oh, I messed my time up a little bit. Okay, we're coming around. We're going to bring it in for a landing.
Here it is. Do it.
I'm doing it. And we landed.
Ladies and gentlemen.
What's the time?
Here's the time.
What time we got?
2:23.
2:23. How many minutes was that?
I don't know.
Okay.
We're at 10 minutes of recording time.
Wow.
I'd have to say about 8 minutes.
Okay, so we pulled it out of the box, set it up in 8 minutes, no editing. Guys, that's how easy it is to set this plane up and get it up in the air and fly it. So go out and get yourself one of these Aeroscout S2 1.1 meter. I love this plane. This is my favorite beginner plane because I'm a beginner. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and you can also join my Facebook group. That's the Ovalrc. I'm Mark with the Ovalrc. We'll see you next time.